Okay, now listen. Example number 1.10 நம்ம கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. Subtract using number lines. Minus 3 minus of minus 2. Minus 3 minus of minus 2. We have to start from 0. We have to start from 0. Where is 0 here? 0. It is given that minus 3. Minus 3 in சொல்லும்போது we move towards the left side. 1, 2, 3 steps. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So we will come to here. We will come here. We will stand at minus 3. Okay. So this is minus 3. Then we have to write the additive inverse of the second number and add. Okay. So this is plus 2. Plus 2 means what? We'll move towards the right side. 2 steps right side. 1, 2. So we'll move towards right side. So we'll reach at minus 1. The answer will be minus 1. Do you understand this? Can you do it yourself? Okay. So try it. Then here, see. What is the additive inverse of the second number here? Minus 5's additive inverse is plus 5. Then we have to add. Okay. So we will start from 0. The first number is plus 6. So we move towards the right side of the 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So from 0, we'll move to 6. We'll move to 6. Okay. So this is plus 6. Then again it is plus 5 because we change the second number's additive inverse. We write the second number's additive inverse, that is plus 5, and add that. Okay. So it is plus 5. We move towards 5 steps on the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The point is 11. So we'll reach 11. Okay. So it is 5 steps. So what will be the answer? It is equal to 11. It is equal to 11. Do you understand this? You must listen the statement carefully. Here they ask us to subtract minus 40 from 70. Minus 40 from 70. So which number you have to write first? 70. From 70 we are going to subtract minus 40. So நமக்கு இந்த மாதிரி கொடுத்துட்டாங்கன்னா ப்ராப்ளம் கிடையாது. நம்பர்ஸில் கொடுத்துட்டாங்கன்னா ப்ராப்ளம் கிடையாது. இந்த மாதிரி ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட்டாக கொடுத்துட்டாங்கன்னா எதுலேருந்து எதை கழிக்கணும் அப்படிங்கிறத நம்ம கரெக்டாக ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் எழுதணும். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நம்பர் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, அப்போது minus 40லேருந்து 70 கழிக்கணும் அப்படின்னு கிடையாது. Read it carefully. Minus 40 from 70. So we have to write 70 first and minus 40 next. And they ask us to subtract no. So this is the answer we know. So what is that? 70. The additive inverse of 40 minus 40 is 40. Okay, 70. The additive inverse of minus 40 is plus 40. Then we have to add this. This is the procedure of subtracting integers. No. So 70 plus 40 is 110. 70 plus 40 is 110. So then the second sum. Subtract minus 12 from minus 20. So minus 20 we have to write minus 20 first and minus 12 second. Then we have to subtract that. What we have to do? So it is minus 20. The additive inverse of minus 12 is plus 12 and we have to add it. Okay. See, here we are having two different numbers, two different integers. This is negative and this one is positive. So when we have two different numbers in addition, what we have to do? We have to subtract a smaller number from a bigger number and put the bigger number sign. No. So what will we get? 20 minus 12 is 8 and the bigger number sign is minus. This is the answer. Do you understand this? Okay. Can you understand how to write this thing from the given statement? And now I think you know how to subtract a number. Subtract the integers. Integer from one integer from another integer. Okay. Now we'll move on to the next problem, baby. It is example number 1.12. Find the values of minus 13 minus of minus 33. See here we are having two negative numbers and we have to subtract the two negative numbers. What we have to do? So minus 11. The additive inverse of minus 33 is plus 33 and we have to add that number. See, here we are having minus 11 plus of plus 33. We have two different integers. One is positive, another one is negative. So we have to subtract a smaller number from the greater number and put the greater number sign. Okay, so that what we have to do? We have to subtract a number. 33 minus 11 is 22. 33 minus 11 is 22. And the greater number sign is plus. So the answer will be plus 22. Like that here, minus 90 minus of minus 50. The additive inverse of 50 is, minus 50 is plus 50. So 9 minus 90 plus 50, isn't it? So minus 90 plus 50. One negative integer, another one is positive integer. So we have to subtract a smaller number from the greater number. It is 40 and put the greater number sign as minus. Already we have seen that we are having two types. One is changing the additive inverse of the second number. Additive inverse of the second number. And another type is just simply multiply the signs besides the given bracket line and put the bracket and put the sign there and simplify that. Okay, this is the second method. So now we'll move to statement problems. See, Chitra has 150 rupees. She wanted to buy a bag which cost 225. How much money does she needs to borrow from her friend? See, these are some words which are using to find the subtraction of integers. Okay, see, these are the words we generally use: borrow, balance, decrease, below, down. When these words will come into a problem, statement problem, you simply find the subtraction. இந்த மாதிரி வேர்ட்ஸ் வந்துச்சுன்னு சொன்னால் நம்ம என்ன பண்ணோம், டேரெக்டாகவே இட் இஸ் பேஸ்ட் ஃபார் சப்ட்ராக்ஷன். ஓகேயா? ஸோ அப்படி நம்ம டேரெக்டாகவே நம்ம எழுதிட்டு போயிடலாம். புரியுதுங்களாப்பா? இப்போ இங்கே கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, சித்ரா ஹேஸ் 150 rupees. Amount with Chitra is rupees 150. The cost of the bag is 225 rupees. Okay, so Chitra எடுக்கிறது 150. Cost of the bag is 225. It cost more. No, இது கொஞ்சம் ஜாஸ்தி வருது அப்படின்னு சொல்லும் பொழுது what we have to do? We have to subtract a smaller number from the bigger number. That is 225 minus 150 is 75. Borrowing shows the negative. Okay, negative operation. Borrowing shows the negative operation. So 225 minus 150 is 75. See in the second sum, next sum, 1.14. What is the balance in Chilian's account as a result of a purchase for rupees 1079 if he had an opening balance of rupees 5000 in his account? Opening balance எவ்வளோ இருக்கணும்? So the opening balance is rupees 5000. Debit amount is rupees 1079. So we have to subtract 1079 from 5000. So the subtracted amount will be the balance. So balance amount is 3921. See, how can we write this? How can we do the statement problems, the given statement problems? See the next one. Example number 1.15. The temperature at Srinagar was -3 degree on Friday. If the temperature decreases by 1 degree next day, then what is the temperature on that day? கொடுத்திருக்க இந்த questionலேருந்து நாம தேவையான ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட்ஸை எழுதிக்கணும். First thing which is given as temperature on Friday. Temperature on Friday is -3 degrees. And see, for the word, what we have to do, what operation we have to do in this problem. Decreases means subtraction. So next, write the operation symbol. -3 degree. Next, it decreases 1 degree. Okay, so therefore -1 degree. So -3 minus 1 is equal to -4 degree. Do you understand this? Like that, it is very important. Example number 16. A submarine is at 30 feet below the sea level. If it ascends means moves up. If it ascends to 175 feet, what is its new position? Okay, the initial position is 30 degree below. So 30 degree below means the number is negative. Below shows the negativity of the integer. So submarine is initially at -30 feet. That means 30 feet below from the sea level. And it ascends shows the positivity. Ascends shows the positivity. Below shows the negativity. Okay, so distance ascends. So ascends means it moves up. Okay, so முதல்ல எங்க இருக்குது? Submarine is at the 300 feet below the sea level, and it ascends means moves up to 175. So this shows the minus negativity, and this one shows positive. So we have to write like this. It ascends by 175 feet means it moves up. So it is plus 175. So now the position of the submarine is -300 plus 175. Okay, so -300 and plus 175. We have two different integers. So we have to subtract a smaller number from the bigger number. So 300 minus 175 is 125. And put the greater number sign. What is the greater number sign here? Minus is the sign of the greater number. So the answer will be minus 125. So now the submarine is 125 feet below because it is negative. 125 feet below the sea level. Okay. I think now you can do the statement problems in the subtraction. Good. Then we are having only two properties in subtraction. We have seen four properties in addition, and plus one is additive identity and additive inverse அதெல்லாம் பார்த்தோம் இல்லையா. இப்போ இங்க subtractionல பாத்தீங்கன்னா we are having only two properties. One is closure, another one is commutative. One is closure, that is for any two integers a and b, a minus b is also an integer. Addition la pathom a for any two integers a plus b, for any two integers a and b, a plus b is an integer pathom இல்லையா. அதே மாதிரி இங்க for any two integers a and b, a minus b is also an integer. Therefore closure property this இதுல ட்ரூவா இருக்கும். அடுத்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா for any two integers a and b, a minus b is not equal to b minus a. A minus b is not equal to b minus a. Commutative property does not hold. Commutative property does not hold னு கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. அப்ப எது மட்டும் தான் வருது? Closure property only it satisfies. Commutative இதுல வராது. A minus b is not equal to b minus a. See the word. See the letter. A minus b is not equal to a minus b is not equal to b minus a. Commutative property does not hold in subtraction of integers. See, இப்போ நம்ம பார்க்குறோம் commutative property எப்படி வருதுன்னு பாருங்களேன். For example நமக்கு இங்கே கொடுத்துருக்காங்க a is equal to some 5 னு வச்சுக்கோங்க. a is equal to 5 and b equal to some 7. So a minus b என்ன வரும் பாருங்க. a minus b is 5 minus 7. So smaller number and bigger number subtract பண்ணும்போது the answer will be negative. So 7 minus 5 is 2. It is minus 2. Then what is b minus a? 7 minus 5. We are subtracting in order only. 7 is a greater number, greater positive number. 5 is a smaller number. So 7 minus 5 is 2. See, a minus b and b minus a. A minus b is minus 2. B minus a is plus 2. Are they same? Is minus 2 is same as plus 2? Both are not equal. So subtraction does not satisfy commutative property. Okay, do you understand this? இப்போ நம்ம இந்த சப்ட்ராக்ஷனில் பார்த்ததெல்லாம் உங்களுக்கு புரிஞ்சிருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன்ப்பா. அந்த ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட்ஸ்லாம் யூஸ் பண்ணிவிட்டு அந்த ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ்லாம் ஒரு முறைக்கு 2 முறை நல்லா பார்த்துக்கோங்க, வீடியோ பார்த்துக்கோங்க. பார்த்துட்டு எக்ஸசைஸ் நம்பர் 1.2 அதை ஹோம்ஒர்க்காக வச்சு ஃபுல்லாக போடலாம். ஒன்றும் பெரிய விஷயம் கிடையாது. சிம்பிளி 1 வேர்ட்ஸ் தான் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. நம்பர் லைன்ஸில் போடுறது ரொம்ப ஜாலியாக போடலாம். கொஞ்சம் ஈஸியாக போட்டு முடிச்சுட்டு 1 டேக்கு ஒரு வீடியோ நீங்கள் பார்த்து 1 டேக்கு ஒன்று போட்டுருங்க. நீங்கள் போட்டு பார்த்துருங்க. அப்பப்போ முடிச்சிட்டிங்கன்னா ஹோம்ஒர்க் அப்பப்போ முடிச்சிட்டிங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு பேர்டன் குறையும் இல்லையா? ஓகே, ஐ திங்க் யூ கேன் டூ இட் வெல். டூ வெல். ஆல் தி பெஸ்ட்.